You've been lied to about your heart. For decades, cardiologists have preached the exact same gospel: lose weight, cut calories, and worship the Mediterranean diet. But what if I told you there is an ancient eating protocol from the frozen north that literally repairs your cardiovascular system, even if the scale doesn't drop a single pound? Welcome to the Viking Diet, a nutritional code forged in ice, currently sending shockwaves through modern medical science. By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why swapping olive oil for an overlooked northern seed and ditching white bread for a dense, dark grain could be the ultimate cheat code for your heart. Let's get one thing straight. This isn't about pillaging villages or eating raw meat. The new Nordic diet was meticulously designed by scientists to adapt Viking-era survival foods for the modern human. The weight loss illusion. We are obsessed with the scale. We believe that a healthy heart is a skinny heart, but a groundbreaking study from the University of Copenhagen just shattered that myth. Researchers put participants on the Nordic diet. They ate fatty fish, root vegetables, berries, and rye. The catch? The scientists manipulated the portions so the subjects didn't lose any weight. The results were terrifying for the diet industry. Despite zero weight loss, the participants' LDL cholesterol plummeted, their blood sugar stabilized, their risk of blood clots dropped entirely. How is this possible? It's not about how much you eat, it's about the unique molecular structure of the fat you consume, which brings us to the Viking Fat Code. The Viking Fat Code. When you think of healthy fat, you think of olive oil, but the North has its own liquid gold, rapeseed oil, also known as canola oil. While olive oil is fantastic, cold-pressed rapeseed oil has a secret weapon. It has significantly less saturated fat and a massive dose of plant-based omega-3s. Combine this with the omega-3s from cold water fish like salmon, herring, and mackerel, and you create an internal environment that literally extinguishes inflammation in your arteries. But fats are only half the battle. If you want to bulletproof your heart, you need to look at what the Vikings did with their carbs. The dark grain paradox. Modern wheat has been engineered for fluffiness and shelf life. It spikes your blood sugar faster than table sugar, destroying your blood vessels over time. The Viking diet relies on rye, barley, and oats. These aren't just carbs, they're dense, complex survival mechanisms. Rye is so packed with dietary fiber that it moves through your system like a sponge. This fiber binds to cholesterol in your digestive tract and physically drags it out of your body before it can ever reach your heart. It's a mechanical sweep of your cardiovascular system. Add in the daily intake of wild berries, lingonberries, cloudberries, blackberries. These aren't just sweet treats. In the harsh Nordic climate, plants produce extreme levels of antioxidants just to survive the cold. When you eat them, you absorb that resilience. Those specific polyphenols travel directly to your heart tissue, acting as a molecular shield against oxidative stress. You don't need to live in a fjord to eat like a Viking. Swap your refined grains for dark rye. Eat fatty fish 3 times a week. Use high-quality rapeseed oil. Snack on berries. Your heart doesn't care about your calorie counting app. It cares about the chemical signals you send it with every bite. The Viking diet sends a signal of strength, repair, and absolute resilience. But wait, if the Nordic diet fixes your heart, what does it do to your brain? The connection between fermented Viking foods like skyr and cognitive decline is mind-blowing. Click the video on screen to see how the Vikings hacked their mental focus, and I'll see you there.